How to change username in TikTok. So to change a username, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening, make sure to log into your TikTok account. And after logging in, on the bottom right corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile and now tap on setup profile, or in your mobile you may have edit profile option. You can tap on edit profile, and then here under username, tap on your username. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So now if you want to change your username, then you can simply remove this username and enter a new username. So make sure that let me enter a username. Make sure that your username can only contain letters, numbers, underscores and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile length. So you can change your username once every 30 days. And after entering the new username, you can tap on save, which is on the upper right corner, and tap on set username. And that's it. That's how you change your username. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.